Welcome back, lovely people, to another Temu video. In today's video, I'm going to be giving us or telling us about the rules that apply to getting gifts on Temu. You know, the free gift that is being advertised on Temu. Yes, there are rules apply to it. Okay, there are terms and conditions, and I'm going to be telling you all about it in this video. First, you need to be a new app user. Okay, a new app user. It's just for new app users. If you're not a new app user, then it's not going to apply to you. You're not getting that gift. Just secondly, you need to impute a code or download the app via a free gift link. Okay. Now, once you impute that code, you're going to be coming to this game section. Okay. Let me just show you real quick where you can impute the code. Go to the Temu search bar and impute FRS 127497, and then you search. It brings you to these gifts. It brings you to the game section. Okay, you need to play the game. Once you crack the egg, it's usually the game of eggs. You crack it and you're given either 1, 2, or 3 gifts, and sometimes you might be offered cash back and all that. Just you need to play the game. Okay, so first, you're a new app user. Secondly, you impute the code. Thirdly, you play this game, and after you're done playing the game, you move to the next stage. Okay, so I picked the wrong egg, but I get to choose another one, and let's see what's inside this egg. So I've been offered 2 gifts for €0, and I have to pick from the page. So now this is the next rule. You need to pick from the page you are shown. Do not log out or do not click out of that page, because if you do, it doesn't work. Okay, you need to pick your gifts from the page you are shown. All right, so now I've been offered 2 gifts. I need to pick it from this page and this page only. I don't need to go out from here. So let me just assume, and pick 2 things randomly so that I can demonstrate better what I'm trying to explain. All right. Now, the next one, that not actually a rule. Yes, it's part of the rule. You should know that whatever gift you're picking, make sure you look out for the price, because if you choose expensive gifts, your minimum purchase, the money you have to spend on the paid items, is going to be higher. Yes, to get the gift, you need to spend some money on some items. So if you choose high price items as your gift, you're definitely going to pay a higher price for the paid items. So you should know that. So now the next thing is that the gifts come with, maybe cashback or coupons or credits. It depends on what is being offered to you. It can be any of these 3. They can either offer you a cashback or 100% coupons back, or credit to your Temu credit account. Okay, so here I've been offered the 100% coupons back. So I have to pay for 25 euros max. I have to pick items worth 25 euros. I have to select them, and again, from the page, I don't have to click out. I have to select it from the page I'm being shown. Very, very important. Once you click out, this thing doesn't work anymore. Then let's select the second one. Now I've completed the 25 euros. Okay, check out to get 2 gifts plus 100 euros coupons back. All right, so once I click on checkout and I pay, I'm supposed to get my paid items with my free gifts, and as well get my 100 euros coupon. Sometimes Temu might ask you to make another set of paid items. You shouldn't be surprised. You shouldn't be surprised if they tell you to pay for another amount, maybe like a lower amount, this time 10 euros. Okay, my first paid items were for 25 euros. I might be asked to pay a second one for 10 euros. like I said, it depends on the amount of gifts you got. If the gifts you got are so expensive, you're definitely going to be spending higher. But if they are cheap, then after the first set of paid items, I might not be asked to get or pay for another set of items. So you should know that, okay? And of course, the most important thing, after you input the code, the gift code, make sure you place your order within 24 hours, because if you don't, then it's going to expire and it won't be available to you anymore as a new app user. You need to make sure that as a new app user, you take advantage of the fact that you're a new app user and place your order within 24 hours so that you can get your gifts. All right. Now, if you do all this correctly, there is absolutely no reason you shouldn't get your gift with your paid items delivered to you. Trust me. Okay, now I'm going to outline everything like in a summary. First, ensure you're a new app user. Secondly, use the code FRS 127497, search on the Temu app search bar and just click on the search icon. Then third, play the game. Fourth, choose your free gift from the page you're being shown. After you're done with that, pay for your items from the page you are being shown. Okay, pay for your items and ensure you place your items or ensure you place your order within 24 hours of using the code. And that's it. Go ahead and pay for your item, confirm your order is confirmed, and wait for your free gifts and your paid items to be delivered. It's as easy and simple as that. Okay, tell me in the comment section if you've ever gone into any difficulty as a new app user trying to claim your free gift, where you made mistakes and you got your free gift delivered to you with your paid items. Just let me know in the comment section. We can discuss all about it. If you've watched to this point, thank you so much. If you've gotten value from this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Subscribe, please. Subscription is free. Just click on the subscribe icon and you're subscribed to this channel. Okay, I'll bring you daily updates on the Temu app, Shein app, or whatever other app that is out there that I can make a video about. Okay, thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.